Kenya nimakoretwo makiuria the whereabouts of media personality Michael Njenga. Michael Njenga akoragwo journalist kana radio TV presenter kuria Inoro TV, but for quite some time ndakoretwo TV ni rumors cikoretwo ciho ati akoretwo leave, but the leave has been going for quite some time. Na Kenya riu nimarakoretwo makiurania what is really going on kuria nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria. Michael Njenga akoretwo agiposti kuria bururi-ini wa US na kuria kuratuika ati arathiite gukorwo akibond na andu na a family kou arakorwo akigia na mutino uria uratumire akorwo agikoma thibitari and in somewhat critical condition. Therefore, forcing him to stay in the US for longer than it was expected gukorwo agikara bururi-ini ucio, na therefore ndakoretwo akionekana in the screens for quite some time. Ni ayumiritie muthenya wa umuthi na agakorwo akishare mbica cia maundu maria akoretwo akigerera medication, the progress ya uria mwiri wake urakikorwo ugithi na mbere na kwagira, na Kenya ni mathiete na mbere na gukorwo makimuwish quick recovery, na hau ni tuonete andu makiuria kana get confirmation ya the questions that they have been having cia the whereabouts of Michael Njenga.